Tampa Bootcamp is unique as it marks the first bootcamp of 2025, setting the tone for an exciting year ahead.
The reason that the MetaDefender Platform Bootcamp is so crucial, it provides the insights and deep knowledge into OPSWAT's advanced threat protection technologies to protect their critical infrastructure.
With the training and a bootcamp strategy, you gain the essential knowledge, essential information, and essential hands-on training so that you can deploy it and get the best benefits out of that platform as well as the product.
So the hands-on training that we do with the OPSWAT Academy Bootcamp allows people that learn in different ways to get more out of our education tools and be able to be better at implementing OPSWAT products.
So it's a new experience for me. I hope that when I come back to my organization that I can be used to work with OPSWAT.
Material is well written and easy to get, and the instructor is so passionate about it. That's what makes it great.
I decided to join OPSWAT's Bootcamp because OPSWAT has good technologies to be ahead of the main threats and malwares within the IT and OT sector.
And I also love how our participants a lot of times come from every place across the globe. So not only are we pushing out the knowledge, the tools, and the experience that these participants need, they have the capability of joining a community with one another to build professional relationships so they can strengthen their knowledge with each other.
I hope these bootcamps to continuously set the new standard in critical infrastructure cybersecurity training and to inspire more professionals to join the fight to protect critical infrastructure. We can't wait to see you in our next bootcamp.
Join us today at OPSWATacademy.com and learn how you can protect the world's critical infrastructure.
OPSWAT Academy!